Hello everyone and welcome back to Can and Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Delonghi Magnifica espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replace the water pump and that's all. This water pump that you see right here is from 2006 and it's been working on this machine for quite a while. Okay, starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to be testing out this machine. We're grinding on the third setting and we're using our test coffee. Nice shot of espresso coming out of the spout. Good quantity and excellent color. Now we're going to be testing the hot water and then the steam. Hot water, as you can see, steady stream coming out of the one, looking great. Now we're going to be testing the steamer. As the thermoblock starts to heat up, we're going to see more steam coming out of the one. And now that it's completely up to pressure, you can see the steam coming out of the machine, looking great, excellent temperature, excellent flow, excellent steam, working excellent. So there you have it, Delonghi Magnifica working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Can and Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.